Pontiac Trans Am with the 400 Pontiac motor in it. The car looks to be in all original condition. We just reworked the exhaust system from front to back, put some Flowmaster 40 mufflers on it, out to these split tip, Trans Am style tips on there. Customer wants to keep it all looking stock back here. Got some Flowmaster 40 stumping away there. Tucked it in there nice and clean with the Truex pipe all the way off the factory manifolds. Manifolds are leaking, you can probably hear them a little bit. So it's not going to quite sound as good as it could, but just a good example of old school pipe bending. Got it all tucked in there, nice and clean, no ground clearance problems. These cars are pretty tight underneath here. Up over the axle and out the back there, as you can see. Everything nice and symmetrical, like we always do. Sounds pretty good.